Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these roasted chickpeas. These are sea salt and lime. That's kind of cool. I've never seen lime. I've seen sea salt, but as you can see, high fiber. And you can also see there, fiber is 10 grams. There's the ingredients: chickpeas, seasoning salt, citric acid. Yeah. Some garlic powder in there too. So, all right, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can see the seasoning in there, and this is the chickpea. All right, let's do a quick taste test. Got a nice little tang to it. Really good. That lime really does come through. Has that nice little citrusy sourness to it. Slight salt to it. Actually, one of my favorite, I would say one of my favorite flavors that they have. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.